So my go-to makeup look. So I'm finna be out and about on my feet in the sun, well, outdoors for a while. They're like busy anyway. Blah. To start off, I'm going to prep and prime my skin. I'm going to spray my face using the Badescu facial spray. Let that set in. Now I'm also going to use my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. So another primer I like to use is going to be the Farsali Skintune Blur. Okay, all prepped and primed. So because I have oily skin, I like to go in with my setting powder, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to somewhat set my face before my foundation. And for foundation, so I can stop looking crazy, I'm going to go in with my favorite Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define foundation. And this is full coverage. Before I forget, I always forget to do this, but I have to color correct. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange, as well as my Makeup Forever foundation stick in 177. And just real quick, cover up these dark spots. To conceal, I'm going to use the NYX HD Concealer in Caramel. And to set that, I'm going to go back into my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Medium Deep. When I'm doing my go-to looks, I don't like to use a lot of powder. Like, I already don't use a lot of powder as far as to bake and set my face. So I'll take a little bit, and if I get too much, you know, put it on the back of my hand and just go in and set that in place. Alrighty, now to get these brows together and then some lashes. To do my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in dark brown. A brow. So I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alrighty, and there's the lashes. Okay, got that done. So to brush away this powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in Coconut. So to bronze and contour, I'm going to use the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and it's in medium dark. And I'm going to take the contour shade and the sculpt shade and just, you know, cut these cheeks, snatch this face, all that good stuff. Then I'll go in with a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Morphe Trio, and this is in Pop of Coral. So I'm going to take the shade Fierce, and that's gonna go on my cheeks. Oh, and that's it. This is pretty much my go-to look. And before I go, I'll set all of this in place using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Take my beauty blender and press that in to the skin. And that is it. I'll be back. For lips, I'll use the Sexy Mother Pucker Extreme Plump, and I think this is by Soap and Glory. And then I also use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and that's the look. And that's it. My go-to makeup look.